Did you know that YouTube Shorts receive over 3.5 billion daily views globally? Imagine the possibilities. A year ago, we embarked on an experiment to ride this wave of short-form content on YouTube. Our mission? To post a YouTube short every day for a year. The potential was staggering, and the setup process was simpler than expected. The world of YouTube Shorts was beckoning us, promising a whirlwind adventure. So, let's dive into this fascinating journey of 365 days on YouTube Shorts. Scene script. Day 1, armed with a smartphone and creativity, the journey into the world of YouTube Shorts begins. Picture this, a newbie, eager to explore the vast ocean of content creation. The first few shorts were nothing short of exciting, filled with novelty and a dash of nervous anticipation. There were missteps, sure, but every stumble only added to the learning experience. The initial reactions were mixed. Some loved the content, while others seemed indifferent. Yet every like, every comment served as fuel to keep the creative fire burning. As for the numbers, they were modest at first. The views trickled in slowly, and the earnings were nothing to write home about. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are successful YouTube channels. The initial statistics were just stepping stones, leading us deeper into the fascinating world of shorts. The first month was a rollercoaster ride, but it was only the beginning. As the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the rhythm of creating YouTube Shorts started to take shape. Each day held a new learning curve, a fresh perspective, a different challenge. I was no longer just a creator, but a student of my craft, constantly evolving, adapting and growing. The content was like a living organism. It was never stagnant, always changing. I experimented with different themes, formats and styles. Some were hits, instantly resonating with viewers and racking up views, while others fell flat. It was a constant trial and error, a dance between what I wanted to create and what the audience wanted to consume. Along the way, there were surprises. Videos I thought would fail garnered massive attention, while those I was sure would be a hit barely made a ripple. It was a humbling reminder that predicting the internet's whims can be a futile endeavor. But amidst the unpredictability, patterns began to emerge. Certain types of content consistently performed better, and slowly, a clearer picture of my audience started to form. The numbers began to speak for themselves. The views were growing, not in leaps and bounds, but steadily, surely. There was a tangible sense of progress, a feeling of momentum, and with it came a rise in earnings, not a windfall, but enough to make the effort worthwhile. The journey was full of ups and downs, but the results were starting to show. After 365 days, the experiment concluded with some astonishing results. Over the course of a full year, embracing the format of YouTube Shorts brought about a whirlwind of change, offering insights that were both surprising and enlightening. Let's talk numbers first. The total views accumulated over the year were nothing short of staggering, reaching into the millions. That's right, millions of views from just 60 seconds or less of content. And the earnings? Equally impressive. The revenue generated from these shorts was in the thousands. It's clear that the bite-sized format of YouTube Shorts can have a big impact, but the real gems lie in the lessons learned. Consistency was a major key to success. Posting a new short every single day for 1 year, rain or shine, played a huge role in the growth of the channel. It was a testament to the saying, consistency is key. It's not always about the quantity, but the regularity of content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Creativity, too, was pivotal. Each short was a new opportunity to captivate an audience, to tell a story, to share a moment. There were no limits, only the constraint of time. And within that constraint, creativity blossomed. The shorts that stood out were the ones that dared to be different, to be bold, to be innovative. Understanding the platform's algorithm was another crucial factor. YouTube Shorts is a different beast compared to traditional YouTube videos. It has its own rules, its own quirks. Learning to navigate this landscape, to understand what works and what doesn't, was an integral part of the journey. This year-long experiment shows the power of YouTube Shorts and the potential it holds for creators globally. It's a reminder that success on YouTube isn't just about long-form content. There's room for all types of creators, all types of content. And with YouTube Shorts, the possibilities are as vast as they are exciting.